Hi there everyone, and welcome to one of our short and scenic adventures with Bucket List Adventures, where we share quick snapshots of beautiful places and memorable moments. We're leaving Perth and heading inland to visit the iconic Wave Rock. What we thought would be a peaceful day exploring turned into a bit of a scramble, but it's all a part of the adventure. We pass through peaceful countryside and then make a quick stop in Brookton to top up on groceries. It's a basic setup, but just enough to keep us going. Wave Rock, formed over 2.7 billion years, rises 15 metres like a giant crashing wave. We take the Hippo's Yawn circuit, a short loop through the bushland to a rock that looks like a yawning hippo, quirky, peaceful and uniquely Aussie.
Hi Christine. Now we've got a quiet moment. How's the YouTube Bucket List Adventures channels coming along?
Actually getting some momentum, and I'm still really enjoying making the videos, and lots of people are watching.
Get the logo here.
Yep.
There we go.
And lots of people are watching. It would help if you did a like with a thumb.
Yep.
And especially subscribe as well. That would really help.
And it's all free.
It's all free. Don't have to pay a thing. And there's plenty more
There's
adventures.
no cost.
Yeah, plenty more adventures coming up too. This is not the end of the adventure. Got heaps more to come. Follow me.
All right, let's have a look at that shirt. It's Bucket List Adventures.
This rock is called a Hippo's Yawn, or the Hippo's Yawn. Get right up in there. It's caused by erosion.
But as the day winds down, we realise we've got a problem. No campsite booked and nothing available in Hyden. Stress levels are rising. We end up backtracking to a free camp near Condon, arriving just in time for sunset. I put the drone up for a look around and it's magic. Not what we planned, but kind of perfect.
Gotten to a spot, nothing at all in Hyden. No free camping, no nothing. So we've had to backtrack a bit, but that's right, we're not going off road because it's been a bit rainy and I got a bit soft. So my apologies, but
To be fair, she said she got soft, but we're new at this, so it's better to be safe than sorry. But all I'm trying to say is to Christine, instead of looking at the negatives now, we've got work through it. We're not perfect. We'll get stronger and better for the journey, hey darling? It's all good.
yeah,
I got no issue.
okay. No worries.
Don't beat me up or you up. This is just part of the learnings.
Yeah, part of the learning. Look at this, is a nice spot that we're at.
Absolutely.
Start for us this morning. We went off grid last night, making our way toward Kalgoorlie today as planned. So it's a bit of a drive, but hopefully the roads are all good. And
The next morning we're off again, heading north toward Kalgoorlie on quiet country roads. The adventure continues. If you've enjoyed this little slice of WA with us, give it a thumbs up, leave a comment and subscribe for more off-grid adventures. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this adventure, come back and watch more episodes. We think you're going to love the stories we have in store. So keep watching and don't miss out on our next epic journey.